Good morning, candidates. I am going to read important points from Micah, July 2020. Important days and dates: July 1, Doctor's Day; July 6, World Zoonosis Day; July 11, World Population Day; July 18, International Nelson Mandela Day; July 26, Kargil Vijay Divas; July 28, World Hepatitis Day; July 29, International Tiger Day. Now, regarding books and authors, uh, the book titled Afterlife has been written by Julia Alvarez. Hidden Value Road book has been written by Robert Kolker. The book Little Secrets has been written by Jennifer Hillier. The book Redhead by the Side of the Road, written by Annie Tyler. Annie Tyler. Yeah. The Book of Longings has been written by Sue Monk Kidd. Then Ajay Mahajan has been appointed as Managing Director and Chief Executive of credit rating agency Care Ratings. Yeah. Now we will see some of the important points. Vineet Arora, digital payments major Paytm, on 15th April said it has named Vineet Arora as Managing Director and Chief Executive of Paytm General Insurance Limited. So that is the point. Ro Khanna, not Rio, Ro Khanna, Indian American Democratic Congressman Ro Khanna has been appointed to the White House Coronavirus Advisory Council to combat the disease in the United States, which has seen a record number of deaths in previous days. This is Ro Khanna of United States of America. Now comes Amit Khare. Amit Khare, a 1985 batch IAS officer of the Jharkhand cadre, assumed charge as secretary in the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting for a second time. Yeah. Next point is Arvind Kumar Sharma, IAS, assumed as secretary, Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy has launched YSR, Nirman and COVID-19 portals to fight against coronavirus epidemic. Deepak Nair, noted Indian economist and academician Deepak Nair, has been appointed as chairman of Board of Trustees for the Institute of Development Studies IDS, based at the University of Sussex in the United Kingdom. Krishnan Ramachandran, Max Bupa Health Insurance said it has appointed Krishnan Ramachandran as its new managing director and chief executive officer. He succeeds Ashish Mehrotra, who has decided to pursue another opportunity after a successful stint of almost 5 years. Manoj Jain, Chairman and Managing Director of National Gas Authority of India Limited, has been appointed as Chairman of City Gas Distributor Mahanagar Gas Limited as well. MGL, promoted by GAIL, supplies piped natural gas to households and auto and industrial gas in Mumbai and its suburbs. NASA announced that SpaceX rocket will send two American astronauts to the International Space Station on May 27. Harshvardhan, Union Health Minister Harshvardhan, has been elected as the chairman of World Health Organization Executive Board. He took over charge on May 22nd, succeeding Dr. Hiroki Nakatani of Japan, currently the chairman of the 34-member WHO Executive Board. Harsha Vardhan. Then some awards. National Panchayat Awards 2020. Day is 24th of April 2020. Jammu and Kashmir Union Territory has bagged three national awards under separate categories for outstanding contribution by its Panchayati Raj institutions towards socio-economic development of Gram Panchayats, adopting child-friendly practices and preparing Gram Panchayat development plans at Panchayat level. Indian American Democratic Congressman Ro Khanna has been appointed to the White House Corona Advisory Council. We saw it already. Order of the Rising Sun. A doctor from Manipur has been conferred Order of the Rising Sun by the Japan government for promoting a better understanding of Japan in India and deepening ties between the two countries. The Order of the Rising Sun is conferred on persons with achievements in international relations, promotion of Japanese culture, environment preservation, welfare, and achievement in their fields. It was constituted by Japanese Emperor Meiji in 1875. Tangjam Dabali Singh, an allopathic doctor, has been conferred this award. 2020 Young Career Award has been given to Professor Saurabh Lodha from Electrical Engineering, IIT Bombay. He has received a Young Career Award in Nanoscience and Technology for the year 2020. This award is instituted by the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. Nikki Asia Prize, a faculty member IIT Madras Professor T. Pradeep has been chosen for Nikki Asia Prize 2020 in Science and Technology category. Startup India Animal Husbandry Grand Challenge Awards. The government gave awards to 12 startups for finding innovative solutions to address problems faced by the animal husbandry and dairy sector, a statement said. Minister for Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying, Giriraj Singh, announced the winners of the Startup India Animal Husbandry Grand Challenge. India's third largest two-wheeler manufacturer, TVS Motor Company, has acquired 122-year-old British brand Norton motorcycles for 153 crore. 2020 Pulitzer Prizes. Three Indian photojournalists from Jammu and Kashmir have won the 2020 Pulitzer Prize in Feature Photography for their work in capturing the shutdown in the Union Territory following the abrogation of special provisions under Article 370 last year. Commemorative World War II medal, Russian President Vladimir Putin awarded Kim Jong-un a commemorative war medal marking the 75th anniversary of the victory over Nazi Germany. The Russian embassy in Pyongyang said the medal was awarded to the North Korean leader for his role in preserving the memory of Soviet soldiers who died on North Korean territory. Kim Jong Un. Kim Jong Un. VMware 2020 Regional Partner of the Year Award. Ananta announced that it has received the Regional Partner of the Year Award for the Services Excellence category. Ananta was recognized by VMware for its demonstrable achievements using their skills and services capabilities, including consulting managed subscription services to help customers maximize the value received from their VMware investments. Grammy Smith appointed South Africa's Director of Cricket till March 2022. Obituary: Irfan Khan. National Award winning Bollywood actor Irfan Khan passed away at Mumbai. Troy Sneed, Grammy nominated gospel singer Troy Sneed has died from complications with coronavirus. He was 52. He earned a Grammy nomination for his work on the Youth for Christ 1999 album Higher. Rishi Kapoor was born as Rishi Raj Kapoor on September 4, 1952. He passed away. He was a favorite actor. Yeah, the famous film for him is Barbie and also Mera Naam Joker, etc. The license of the Mapusa Urban Cooperative Bank of Goa has been cancelled by Reserve Bank of India. Chuni Goswami, distinguished former Indian football captain, also played first-class cricket tournaments for Bengal, passed away in Kolkata. Chuni Goswami, Bengal, cricket, football. K.S. Nisar Ahmed, noted Kannada poet and Padma Shri awardee K.S. Nisar Ahmed died at the age of 84. He became a household name through his Nityotsava poem Jogada Siri Belakinalli, which went on to become a popular song. His works include Nityotsava, Sanjay Aidara Mail, Nendavara Manadalli, Nanemba, Nanemba Parakiya, Manasu Gandhi Bazaru, Kurigalu Sar Kurigalu, among others. Next is Ravi Valathal, Malayalam film and television actor. Ravi Valathal passed away at his house in Thiruvananthapuram at the age of 67. He was a son of a theatre artist T.N. Gopinathan Nair and Saudemani, nephew of poet Valathul Narayanan Menon. Ravi's career spanned over 30 years. He acted in a number of popular films such as Season, Kottayam Kunjachan, Godfather, Sargam Palu Penningal, and so on. Justice A.K. Tripathi, Lokpal judicial member and former Chief Justice of Chhattisgarh High Court, passed away at the age of 62. Anizuzzaman, Padma Bhushan recipient and Bangladesh national professor Anizuzzaman died. He was 83. Anizuzzaman, an immense contribution to Bangla language and literature through his research and writings. India awarded him Padma Bhushan for his distinguished service in the fields of Bangla literature and education. He was a member of the Planning Commission during 1971 war and a member of the National Education Commission set up by the government after liberation. Amizuzzaman was a Bangladeshi academic of Bengali literature. The Delhi government has launched Assess Corona mobile application. Yeah. So these are some of the topics I thought I can share with you today. Thank you so much.